All right, so um, this is the today is June the 18th. Tomorrow is Juneteenth, so the market's closed tomorrow, and then we have Thursday and Friday. So today is Tuesday. Looking at the pre-market move for VIX, I don't really have much. I can say that we have a flat base up here. VIX did gap up. I thought we had already did a rollover a while back where we gapped up to the top. How long ago was that? Is that each month now? It gaps up. Um, because I recall that we had a rollover not too long ago. Let's do 180 days, unless I'm off. What was that in? Yeah, this is. I think this is the gap up I'm referring to. That was May 22nd, and today is June 18th, and our gap up is up here. So last time we gapped up, we held, and then we kept pushing higher, and then we decided to come down. Came down to this around this level here. Now we gapped up again. Um, that's the only two gaps that I see. So, and I don't think we're in a rollover month. Let's see if I can add rollovers to see what show rollover lines. Okay, nothing. Let's go to futures. No. Yeah, I don't see it. It would just be one of these would have did it. Yes, I don't see the expiration lines. Let's go higher. Maybe that'll help. Nope, nothing. Let's go daily. Nothing. Let's go back one more time. Nothing. Yeah, that would be just less about. I don't think this counts. Okay. Let's do one more thing. Let's go to when does fix futures. Yeah, I'm not sure why we gapped up. I cannot find a reason yet. Let me go into my Discord. See if I say anything. NQ, ES strong rally, NQ visual. What's yesterday? Nothing today from him. Let's do VIX. I'm not using July VIX futures. Okay, where is this? Okay, today. I'm not using July VIX futures. Those are the specific tickets to use later. Current price. Okay, retail sales. Okay. Alright, so no idea. Alright. Um, I'm guessing that they had like a rollover. Um, Started on June 15th, but didn't roll over until last night. I guess the contracts were a little higher then. So, so now they're using the July ones. All right, so enough of that. Yeah, these are the July ones. So we gapped up with it. There's really not much we can do right now. I feel like we're in the middle of something. So I'm just gonna go through my. Sorry, that was 5 minutes. I'm gonna go through my regular daily routine. As far as, yeah, I don't have any volume. This is all crap. No volume. No volume. This is the only thing that I can lean on right now. Is this indicator saying that we had a bearish engulfing, and then I'll lean on this one here since we came to ADR yesterday and bounce. So I'm gonna mark it for now, and then I'm gonna add. I'm gonna take away the overnight session to add my ADR lines. So let's go from there. All right, so let's get that. Let's go here. That. Okay. There we go. All right. Let's bring this up. Right about here. Oh, and also ES did roll over yesterday for Thinkorswim. It had rolled over already for TradingView last Friday, and then yesterday morning we actually had this gap up. I'll just put in my lines just to put them. Let's just see how price moved around them. All right, we got that. Okay, so volumes here, definitely volume here. We don't have that arrow, and then volume around here. So I'm gonna mark this low. I really need to mark this high, but I am going to put here. And then we'll look into these areas in a bit. All right, so that's that. That's ES. Let's do NQ real quickly. We can take this one. Put that, the whole number. I'm gonna just actually let's put it with the whole number. Practically in the same spot. Leave it like that, and let's bring that over. All right, volume. Okay, this is our highest volume here. We do have a peak area right here, so I'm gonna look into that. Gonna mark the low, which is basically right near whole number. All right. Okay, so that's NQ. Let's zoom out and let's see what we're working with. All right, so it looks like with that 8:30 news, we did get a push down on NQ. ES looks like it never really reached as high as I would have liked it to be. So just from the glance of the eye of what I saw. Let's add extended hours on this. So this is what we're dealing with. Kind of like half shorted it. I'm gonna see. I'm already interested in this area here like that. So like this. So I feel like I'm already interested in. I didn't even go down to the 5 minute yet. But that's what I'm interested in. How big is this? It's about about 7 points. We'll round it up to 8 for a stop loss. Okay, as long as volume is this here, kind of holding it. As long as volume is this bar here that I'm interested in, so which gets us up to here. Okay, so that's what I am working with. As long as volume's here, with that one, I can get rid of these. I want to see what's going on with this candle here under Heikinashi. Let's put our arrows. These two are pretty high volume. Yeah. Alright, so under Heikinashi. Okay. So I want this like that. And then this one. Put it like this. This one is tough to actually read, but because we kind of went low into it and we didn't create much of space, so I'm gonna put it like that. This is the midday session, and then okay, I'll just grab this like that. That's the highest volume bar. Get rid of this and this. Let's zoom out. Okay, so those are practically our levels. Matches nice with VWAP. I like this. So I haven't done this in a while, but I'll just add it in there. VWAP. Go left. There's usually a white bar. This. Yeah. So this is what I'll be looking for. I don't have much anything right here. Oh. Yeah. So this one just been chopping through it, but it's being respected. But I don't have any volume down here whatsoever. Get rid of this. Okay, let's do in Q. Where's that volume? It's over here. Then we have another one right there. This is the highest one. Come down to the, okay, cool. Coincides with this one. That. Let's go into, should be a long candle. Yep, cool. All right. Whoa. This candle here might just be this for me. Looks like we finished in a P shape for yeah, that's fine. Look, we finished in a P shape. Volume is here. We got that. Came back above. Strong volume here. I'm gonna add this like that. This is a big range, but seems to make the most sense right now. That. Let's go back and look at it one more time. So where was my value area? Oh, value area low was this gray line. I'm gonna make this yellow because I sure glanced over it and didn't see it. Okay. Alright, so we have that. Alright, so that's basically my levels as per my of my own personal levels. It's the news. It's the 1 minute. How does ES look? So they didn't move much, like 5 points, 10 points as per the high and the low. Okay. Let's do our settlement price, ADR levels, all the other good stuff. So we did look at news. We'll have the 8:30 and 9:15 news and 10 o'clock. Here we have 8:30, 9:15 news, 10 o'clock. We have FOMC speakers speaking, but not major, but we can still move the market. It's not Powell. All right, so we can close this out. I'm not too anxious about any of these. So settlement price. What is this? I got VWAP. What was this? Why do I have this line here? Zoom out. Goes up to here. Why do I have this line here? Okay, that was my my ADR high from yesterday. Okay, just didn't delete it. I deleted the box, but not the line. Okay, settlement price. Could just use that box, that line. All right, settlement price. Let's go here and see if we even use settlement. Where did it go? This cannot be settlement price. Does it update? June 17th, 11:56 p.m. This cannot be settlement. 547,850. 547. Something is wrong. So I'm gonna go to YouTube real quick and see what Ray says about settlement. If he's at the ES thing, because that doesn't make sense. That's me. This is Ray. So this is gonna be a little longer. We got 20 minutes.
the daily. See,
It's on
this is coming
platinum.
from something
I never
else
seen it as
here.
platinum.
Top of the channel that I drew here.
Platinum,
Okay, kind of looking back here and
gold,
seeing. See, all right.
platinum. And it must have did oil
Let's
first, right?
away from it a little bit. We did open,
Okay,
say
still on
maybe
gold,
new
still on gold,
at X
still on
or former.
gold. Okay, did that.
Okay,
All right,
in
so
order
he
to
didn't do
accommodate all the. Okay, in this market, maybe head up
yes,
to
yeah.
this.
All right, so settlement doesn't seem right. Yesterday was the 17th. 17th. Last updated 11:17 at 11:56 p.m. And it's the settlement they got. Let's see what where NQ is. So maybe this is just a day that I don't trade because I don't know what the heck that was for ES settlement. Okay, this is 1992125. I'm just gonna all about it, all buy it, all eyeball it. 199 is way down here also. 19921 is way down here. Hmm. Why does it have a low settlement? All right, I just need somebody to tell me. I'm not gonna do 9 minutes. All right. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at these later after I'm done setting up and figure out what's going on with settlement price. So I'm gonna forego settlement price and I'm gonna go into ADR levels and go from there. I have to figure out what's going on with the set. This is the first time I've ever seen that, and I'm still used to using settlement 575 5575.5. Yikes. 5575.5. And 5576.25. Okay, go. Um, let's see VIX. I have a better 520.75. Let's see VIX. I probably have a better view of what's going on. 520.75, which VIX looks like crap still. Let's see if the news did anything different. 520. Hopefully the news pointed us to a specific direction for it. And we have NQ. We have 20, 31, 9.75. 2031.9.75. 2325.25. 20.06725. 20.06175. Okay, that works. Alright, so those are the levels I have. And I'm gonna stop here. No, VIX. Let's see if we have any clear movement with VIX. With let's work a little backwards this time. Let's get rid of these. There we are. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Now let's work a little backwards. Let's just start adding some lines and look at how these wicks are going to help us. Alright, so it looks like an engulfing candle for 9. If this finish down here, it would be an engulfing candle. So I'm going to see a pull back and down. It'll be engulfing this candle. So that's basically the extreme so far. I'm just going to mark it. Engulfing 8-hour at 9 if close here. Yeah. So let's turn that to the right. Let's make this like that. Alright, so that would be an engulfing candle. Probably look for a pull back and down, or for it to break out and then pull back and down. Let's go into the 4 hours. Just working backwards. We got lower wicks. So we're not getting much of what I want. Use this one that has volume. No volume, nothing is in this. I was in the 4 hour with lower wicks. And I do have extended hours on, correct? Yeah. Alright, so I don't know what I'm seeing yet, besides the fact that we did flatten up here. That I saw on the 30-minute. I'm also seeing it now on the 1 hour. Flatten. We didn't break out of anything flat, really. It's just, I don't know yet. I'm not going to try to force something out of VIX. This is flat. Just labeling what I'm seeing. Flat. And I'm about to walk away from all of this to take a mental break. No volume still. And zoom out and see if we have anything that's going to compete with, or that can help us create a level. I have nothing. I want to see price come up here then. So I add an alert, because we rejected this area once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Alright, so this would be a nice rejection point. Or it could just be a level where price just breaks through. 4-time rejection. So, okay, just spotted something. So that's what we're holding in a sense. All right, so that's where we are. Let's put that to the left. All right, so just spotted something. All right, so that's where we are. Let's go back higher. Same thing. A little higher just to see how price. Some nice wick. So this was some selling. What's going on? Um. All right, and 30 minutes is the lowest I can go. I'm not gonna do. I'm not going to do 15 minutes in 1 minute because then the chart just looks like crap. I can't really even make out what we're looking at on the 1 minute, 15 minute. Like this, trying to show some buying down here. That's what we had the selling. 5 minutes is doing what? Still no volume. There's nothing down here. All right, so wants to show buying. This is what we're been doing, but I've never traded this like that. Let's see if selling, buying, push up, couldn't get through. Maybe something for me to look into. Can we still push? If this is buying, and that means that price would sell, right? Which is what I'm getting in the vibe that I'm getting with ES. This was yesterday. Nothing here. Yeah, the vibe I'm getting with ES is that we may actually sell. Nothing here. Just the wicks. Okay. Alright, so that's my NQ. Put it to the side. And that's my VIX, I mean. I don't have much of way of true interest. I am interested in a short up here and a long down here. I'm not interested in anything in the middle because we're flat in the middle. So that's pretty much it for the charts, and then I will look into what's going on with settlement and why it's the way it is. But other than that, I have nothing to add to this. Yeah. All right.